Hello, in front of me I have OUKITEL WP6 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. Let's go to the screen we want to capture first. For example, let's open the Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot, simply press and hold the power button and volume down button together. You will see this animation on the screen and also the notification will appear that the screenshot was saved. You can tap on the notification if you want. And here you can share the picture, edit the picture, put the Google lens on it, or remove it if you want to. Okay, let's go back. You can also take the screenshot another way. To do it, simply open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen twice, like this. And here you have a screenshot icon and tap on it to take a screenshot, like that. And that's how you take the screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.